I remember when I started my public speaking journey, my mom asked me that there are so many speakers, who will even listen to you? How will you even compete with so many public speakers in the market? And I did have my self-doubt, and on top of that, my self-doubt has got increased, telling that yeah, might be sure. But gradually, let me tell you, I continued and I thought that even if there are 1% of the people listen to me, I'm done with my work, right? And I kept moving in my life. I kept going on the stage, and let me tell you what are the 3 mindset shifts that I did that helped me to become a public speaking coach. Okay, ready? If ready, let me know in the comment section that you are ready, and hit that bell button, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Okay, so the very first mindset shift that I did was the market is big. Understand, you will never go shortage of people in today's world. And especially in the internet world, you will never go shortage of people. People are there, people will listen, people will buy your course, people will connect with you. I can't connect with every speaker in the market. In the same way, I can connect with only few. And you can connect with people, someone whom I can't connect with, right? So understand, especially in India at least, there are so many people. So understand that you will never go out of people, at least in today's world, especially in India, and especially if you want to pursue public speaking as a full-time career. Second thing that you need to understand, your audience wants you to perform best. We always go on the stage and we think that, okay, audience who are sitting in there, they are here to judge me. You tell me one thing, how many events you might have attended? You might have attended maybe 5, 6, 10, 15, 20, right? Have you ever attended the session or the event by investing your time, energy, efforts, reaching there? Have you ever invested to go there and judge the audience, judge the speaker? No, right? You have never gone with this mindset. What was your mindset of reaching there, and what is your mindset here watching this video is that I will get value out of this video. I will get value out of the event that I'm gonna attend, right? So no one, if you don't go with that mindset of doubting the speaker, neither of the audience go, and 0.1% of the audience are going to be there. That shouldn't bother you at all. But understand, audience want you to perform best. That's it. The moment you understand this one thing, you will rock on the stage, and that's what I do every single time I have to be on the stage. Okay. And the third thing is, go with a winning mindset. We doubt a lot. We think that what if I forget? What if I go wrong? What if I fail? What if people will laugh at me? What if this will happen? So if you are going with a loser mindset, you will lose on the stage. You will not perform best on the stage. But if you go on the stage with a winning mindset, you will rock on the stage and will come. Always think about this one thing, that every time observe yourself, when was the last time that you attended the event with a winning mindset? You gave a presentation with a winning mindset. Think about it. You'll have an answer. And also think about it in this way, that has our parents told us that whenever we have exams, don't keep reading till the last moment, right? Why? Because the more you are stressed, the worst you'll perform. The more you are relaxed, the best you'll perform. So relax yourself and think about yourself in a positive manner. Go with the winning mindset. You will rock on the stage. That's it in the entire video. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.